In this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review, I will be walking you through what exactly Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is all about, the pros, the cons, and a lot of other things that you will need to know, in order for you to make the right decision on whether it will be the best supplement to eliminate that stubborn belly fat for you or not. But before I get the review started, if you finish watching this review video and you finally decide that you're going to give Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic a try, which I strongly recommend, so click on the first link in the description of this video you are watching, to get it at a very low price just for now. But before I go via this wonderful review, please not do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you're sure not to miss out on our brand new content. Now let's get the review started by talking about what exactly Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is all about. So what is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a powder-based drink that supports internal weight loss. This product is invented by the well-known Mike Banner, who is known for many successful weight loss programs, hence Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic seems to be the perfect solution when Banner is the man behind its preparation. The idea behind Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is derived from Japan, where a blend of herbs and spice is consumed for their healthy weight and ideal physique. Made with all natural ingredients that are researched well, hence don't possess any side effects. This powder-based supplement seems to be safe and effective in losing weight successfully. Also, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic not only facilitates weight loss support but also works to enhance your cardiovascular health by regulating your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also helps in boosting energy levels and eliminating inflammation in the body. With all these health benefits, this Flat Belly Tonic seems very significant for maintaining overall health well-being. Getting rid of excess body fat is a dream harbored by millions of obese people. However, in reality, a frugal percentage of such individuals can achieve that dream. You may have become fed up with trying new diets and weight loss products to eliminate stubborn belly fat. The ads of hourglass models on the TV screen may make you feel morose. Do not give up hope yet. You can try a new and innovative weight loss solution, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Weight Loss Powder. See how Flat Belly Tonic works. The secret recipe used in the making of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is inspired by the Japanese folks, especially from the Okinawa region. Okinawan people are known for their well-shaped bodies and low obesity cases. This is possible only because the Japanese make use of a healthy blend of herbs and spices in their meals that promote weight loss. The solution must be taken daily to see results soon. As we know, natural ingredients take gradual time to show results, hence make sure regular ingestion of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is maintained. Many users with daily consumption have lost as much as 33 pounds in about 28 days. However, results may vary for every individual, but the product seems very effective for providing faster weight loss support. Burns excess fat to reduce weight for a lean body, energizes the body throughout the day, improves hormonal functions that aid in weight loss, regulates cholesterol and blood sugar levels in the body, reduces food cravings to further aid in weight loss, tackles CRP proteins that hinder fat burning, enhances metabolic processes of the body, improves cardiovascular and liver functions, improves mood, mental focus, self-confidence, and self-esteem. So let's talk about who made the supplement. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is being made and marketed by Mike Banner. He is a noted nutritionist and trainer. He reportedly learned about the formulation of this tonic from a Japanese cardiologist named Dr. Tamaki. Let's check out the pros and cons of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. We will first look at the pros and after the cons. 1. The ingredient of the product produces fat-burning hormones. 2. The product is 100% natural and safe and has no side effects. 3. It powerfully destroys fat cells. 4. No need for a personal trainer or dietitian to guide you. 5. 100% money-back guarantee if the product does not work. 6. It tastes delicious, and you will feel refreshed as soon as you drink it. 7. Available at a reasonable price. And now the cons. 1. Not available offline, only available through the official website. 2. The website has stated that this tonic should not be used during the pregnancy period. It may be harmful to the baby. Another fascinating fact is that Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes with a 60 days money-back guarantee, and you can get your money back if you are not satisfied with it. This is a win-win situation. So buy it now before the stock runs out. Where to buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is not available at your regular chemist shop. You are advised not to buy it from any e-commerce site or third-party retailer online either. The brand site is where you should look for the supplement. Each bottle is expected to last for a month. If you buy one bottle, the cost is $69. The 3-bottle pack will cost you just $59 per bottle. The 6-bottle unit is the lightest on the wallet, and in it, each bottle costs just $49. If you are still worried about the efficacy and safety, be aware that the company is offering a 90-day long refund policy. The shipment fee applies to a single bottle. When you buy it in bulk, there are no extra shipping charges. Here's a breakdown of its pricing. 1 bottle, $69 plus $9.95 shipping. 3 bottles, $177 plus free shipping. 6 bottles, $294 plus free shipping. Again, for consumer reassurance, the official website of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic provides its customers with a 90-day refund policy on every purchase. In case you are not satisfied with the product, you can easily ask for a complete refund on your purchase within 90 days. You can speak to their customer support and return the bottle even if it's partially consumed and get a complete refund. In conclusion, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is formulated with 100% natural ingredients that help individuals eliminate excess weight, and I would personally recommend you go get the supplement and test it for yourself. But remember, I put a link to their official website page in the description of this video below, which you will getting it at a discounted price. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as a way of supporting us. Thanks. Stay safe. Peace.